All right, bit of a different video here. So we're back here hauling water to the far east, what we call the far east pasture. And a little bit of a challenge here because it's actually uphill. And in previous years, I actually had a little path that went back around here and did it in and hold the water up there with side-by-side. That was kind of a pain in the ass, to be honest. It was just slow and cumbersome, and you know, if we got a bunch of rain, you weren't getting the side-by-side with a water cart behind it down here. You would get stuck. So, got a new toy. I'm a little bit of a DeWalt guy, disclaimer. Yeah, that's one of two DeWalt chainsaws that I own. There's a spare battery right there. I got a whole shed full of DeWalt tools. This is a pretty new one though, so new that when I was shopping for it, I couldn't find anyone made any videos about it. So that's what this is. It's a real quick video of just like initial impressions. I just got this thing today. I'm just using it for the first time now. I like DeWalt tools, but I have had a few that I didn't like, didn't work out, usually I could tell pretty quick that I wasn't gonna like them. This one, it seems pretty good so far. Good solid construction, nothing feels cheap. Like sometimes you can just tell some of the stuff that they license to other companies to use their name. You can just tell it's not DeWalt, it's not proper DeWalt brand name stuff. This is not one of those. This feels like DeWalt through and through. You know, it's got the branding built into it and everything. Little power button here. It's rated for 10 gallons a minute. You know, the Red Tool Company Milwaukee does make one very similar to this, rated for 8 gallons per minute, and that's just water. How much you're actually going to get is a different story, of course. But I'm not asking it to do very much today. We're just pumping water up the hill here. Go ahead and hit the power button. Like I said, just a quick video. Not very loud. You know, it doesn't vibrate. I'm not worried about it shaking itself off the back of the truck or anything like that. If I just kind of show you the incline here, you know, that right about there, we're level with the water pump. So I'm not asking it to do a lot. And kind of go up here and see. And there might still be some air in the line. So this may not be, you know, full bore of what it could do when it works all that air out. But, there you go. And I think that's pretty respectable. I'm not going to measure the gallons per minute or anything today. Maybe I'll make another video about that. Yeah, and this is just kind of a one-off. I'm not going to start reviewing all kinds of different tools or anything like that. This is still principally a channel about, raising meat goats profitably on a low input system. Hey puppy, how you doing? But I kind of wanted to show this off again, mostly just because when I went to shop for it, I couldn't find any actual user videos or reviews, even something really simple like this. So there we go.